Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Cubot Max 3 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on see all 62 apps. Of course 62 in my case, it depends how much apps you've got downloaded and installed. And here just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see here our device is informing us that it will reset preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose actually anything, so just tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Cubot Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.